Preamble: Software engineers shall commit themselves to making the analysis, specification design, development, testing and maintenance of software a beneficial and respected profession. In accordance with their commitment to the health, safety and welfare of the public, software engineers shall adhere the following 8 principles. First, public. Software engineers shall act consistently with their public interest. Second, client and employer. Software engineers shall act in a manner that is in the best interest of their client and employer consistent with the public interest. Third, product. Software engineers shall ensure that their products and related modifications meet the highest professional standards possible. Judgment. Software engineers shall maintain integrity and independence in their professional judgment. Fifth, management. Software engineering managers and leaders shall subscribe to and promote an ethical approach to the management of software development and maintenance. 6. Profession. Software engineers shall advance the integrity and reputation of the profession consistent with the public interest. 7. Colleges. Software engineers shall be fair to and supportive of their colleges. And lastly is self. Software engineers shall participate in lifelong learning regarding the practice of their profession and shall promote an ethical approach to the practice of the profession.